The Nokia 6.1 Plus. A little while back, we unboxed and even reviewed the Nokia X6 here on C4E Tech. The 6.1 Plus is the global Android One version of HMD Global's Nokia X6. Today in this video, let's unbox this Indian variant and take a close look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and before we begin, here is a card to a latest giveaway. I'll also leave a link in the description below, and while you're down there, click on that bell icon to become part of the C4E Tech notification squad. Let's now get started. So here's the box the Nokia 6.1 Plus comes in. Opening it up, we've got the 6.1 Plus itself. Let's take it out of its protective plastic. Feels very compact. Let's boot it up and set it aside for the time being. We then have a SIM ejector tool, some regular leaflets. That's followed by a USB Type-C cable and a 10-watt travel adapter. It's worth mentioning that the soft case that we saw included with the X6 is not here. Anyway, let's now take a closer look at the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Let's start with the placements. To the top, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack along with the secondary microphone. The power button and volume rockers reside to the right. There's a slot to the left. Now this is a hybrid slot, so you can use either two SIMs or a SIM and a micro SD card. The speaker, Type-C port and primary microphone reside at the bottom. Now, we've got glass to both sides. The phone looks really great. It's very elegant and premium and also seems comfortable to use single-handed. The reason the 6.1 Plus is this compact is because of the display used here. HMD Global's gone with a 5.8-inch IPS LCD panel. It's a 19:9 panel with a Full HD Plus resolution. So yeah, we've got a notch up top. It houses the sensors, earpiece, as well as the 16-megapixel selfie camera. This is what I said about it in the X6 unboxing. Now, I don't hate the notch, but I also know people who do. So let's just hope that the international version of the X6, at least with that, HMD Global includes an option to hide the notch. And the HMD Global's done just that here. You can disable the notch. The display itself seems to be of great quality. It looks rich, text appears crisp, no matter what angle you look at it from. Good job, HMD Global. As far as the internals go, we've got a Snapdragon 636. It's a good mid-range chip. We've already seen it on a lot of phones like the Redmi Note 5 Pro, Zenfone Max Pro, the Zenfone 5. So we expect performance to be as good. This unit comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of onboard storage. As of now, I'm unsure what other variants are going to be made available. I'll have a list along with the price in the description below, so do check that space. Now, running off these specs, we have a 3060 mAh battery backing all of it up. Let's now move on to the software side of things. We have stock Android 8.1 Oreo on board the 6.1 Plus. It should get updated to Android Pie soon enough since it's part of the Android One program. There's almost no bloat here. It's just the basic apps. The interface feels responsive. Multitasking feels smooth. The fingerprint scanner is also quick. Talking about security, Google's Trusted Face is what you have to use if you want Face Unlock, and it works as well as on any other phone. The camera app is the one app where Nokia has deviated from stock. We've got a beauty mode, Bokeh and picture-in-picture options to utilize both the front and rear cameras at once. There's a full-fledged manual mode. Now as far as hardware goes, to the back we've got 2 cameras, a 16-megapixel primary with an f2.0 lens paired with a 5-megapixel monochrome unit with larger pixels and a f2.2 lens. The images you're seeing were shot with these cameras. How do you think they turned out? Let me know in the comments below. Now, as far as pricing goes, we don't have anything official yet, but I should by the time this video goes live. A few months back, when the X6 came out, I guess about 15K would be a great price. But today, with the presence of the Snapdragon 660 toting A2 with stellar cameras at 17, and the flagship Kirin 970 toting Honor Play a few thousand higher, I'd say HMD Global would have to price this around 13K to make it competitive. What do you guys think? What do you say would be the right price for the Nokia 6.1 Plus? Let me know in the comments below. And I must now bid you adieu. If you hated this video, if you did, like it. Also subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.